Hey, Scott here on this breezy day in April, and today we're working on a Craftsman lawn tractor that the owner called me and told me he can't get it started, and I'll show you what I had to do to get this thing fixed. All right, here we go. So today we are looking at a pretty common unit here. This is a Craftsman LT1000, very common body style. Husqvarna, Poulan, lots of different companies made by AYP, American Yard Products. What's going on with this one is that the owner decided to take it out for the season, and he turned the key and he got nothing. So he decided that he was going to check the battery. Battery was 5 years old, so he bought a new battery and he put it in and he got nothing. So then he called me and said, figure out what's going on with my tractor here. So that being said, let's take a look at the model number. There's his brand new battery, and there's the model number. Looks like it was made in 02, so April 16th 02. So today is actually April 16th of 2024, so happy birthday to this lawnmower. So anyway, he's got the connections are tight, and what we're going to do is we're going to set the parking brake. We'll sit down on it right away too. Make sure that the blades are disengaged, and turn the key. And we got nothing. Let's press down further on that, see if that makes a difference. And we got nothing. Okay, so there's not even a click from the solenoid. I'm not hearing a click from the anti-backfire solenoid on the carburetor. We got nothing. So there could be solenoid issues. There could be safety switch issues. There's a safety switch that's connected to the brake, a safety switch connected under the seat, safety switch connected to the lever that controls the blades going on and off. But before I check all that, there's one thing that should be a very easy check, and it's the fuse. These tractors have a single fuse, and it is the fuse that controls them all. So let's access that fuse. It's actually under the gas tank in this case, so let's get this off and show you where to find that. Alright, so quite simply, we've got two bolts here that are holding this on and the gas tank, and it's 3/8 inch. So let's just pop those bolts off. And then this just lifts off, and then we can just lift the fuel tank off. Just kind of set it aside a little bit here, and let's take a look inside and I'll show you where that fuse is located. Alright, so down inside here you've got your starter solenoid there, and right there is the fuse. It's usually located somewhere in this part of the lawnmower. On most of these lawnmowers, it's a 20 amp fuse. Let's pull that out, and something's wrong with it, I can tell already, but we're going to test it and make sure. Alright, so I got my multimeter here, and I have it set for ohms with the sound on, so that when I touch these connections, you hear the beep. That shows that there's continuity. And so we'll take this fuse here, and we're going to touch each of the blades and see if we have continuity. And we got nothing. So that tells me this fuse is bad. So that being said, I've got a new one here. Let's touch these blades, make sure this one is good. Yeah, so I don't know if you can hear that, but so we got a good fuse here. So let's pop in the new fuse and see if that makes a difference. Alright, just put the new fuse in place. For now, we'll just set the fuel tank back down. and we'll give it a crank, see what happens. Look at that. There it is, the simplest electronic fix ever on the lawn tractor. Now we'll do the rest of the tune-up, oil change, sharpen blades, and get this thing back to the owner. But thanks for watching.